You all, let's take a closer look at this watch face. First of all, my man got down on this one. Got to give him 4 thumbs in the door for the creativity of this one. Now his watch face is always packs a punch so far as features and functions are concerned. So I need for you to be patient. Just sit back and enjoy the review. Now the name of the watch face is called Hornet for a billion. You got so many different variations of themes and colors that you can mix and match to your heart's content. This one is nice. Now you get a few dials. The one at the top is going to give you info on your floor's climb. You get a meter as well. Over to the right, you're going to get info on your days of the week. And also you're going to get your date, which I thought was a good look. I like the blending of that information. And over to your right, you're going to get your step information. I haven't been anywhere. Remember, today is Wednesday. Right up under that, you are going to get your digital time. And it's going to be in 12 or 24 hours, depending on the format that you have set for your smartphone. Now, right up under that, you are going to get how many weeks we are into the year. You're going to get a nice moon phase, and the dial at the bottom is going to give you your heart rate information. You're going to get a meter to let you know where you are with your zones and things like that for your heart rate, and you're going to get your date slightly over to the left down at the bottom. So overall, this is definitely a good look for a luxury timepiece to have on your wrist, especially if you're going to be dressing to impress or you're going to be out super casual for the day. Now let's take a look at the features and functions that this watch face packs. Now first thing, if you want to know where everything is, because there's a lot of features and functions that's entailed within this watch face, that's awesome, right? Here it is right here, double tap at the top, and you can check out where these features and functions are, just in case you forget. You can go here at any given time, and to get out, just double tap. Now we're going to start right here. If I single tap, I can go ahead and go into, of course, set a favorite. I get 2 places to do that. If I tap right here, I can do the same thing. And if I double tap right here, I can customize the watch face just a little bit more. You got to hit it in a certain spot. You see it change? See, you just got to keep tapping in the right spot, and it'll change up on you. I thought this was nice. I thought my man did a really good job with this one. And over here is probably my favorite. I could change the index to whatever I want it to be. This is nice. So if I'm feeling super luxury, then I could set it a certain way. I could change the color. So again, you get so many features packed within this watch face. It's not even funny. All right, you all, so let's go down. And of course, if I double tap here, I can change the color theme of the watch face. Here's where it gets fun. You got so many different ones. I'm gonna cycle through quite a bit just to give you an idea of what you're gonna be in for when you download this super awesome watch face. Let's just cycle through. Now this is mostly the black theme. Now it starts to get colorful. Just hold tight. That one has to be my favorite out of all of them. And you can change the color to a couple of them as well, which I thought was nice. Again, my man outdoes himself every single time. So what do you think thus far, people? Yes, I know, he got down. Double tap in the middle, and you can change the color of the second hand. Double tap right here. I could do the minutes. Just keep double tapping till it changes. See the design change? Not bad. Same thing for the hour hand. Not bad at all. And if I want to change the theme look of the dial, just tap right here. Not bad at all, people. Not bad at all. Again, my man outdoes himself every rep. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.